Today on Stu's Cookery class, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing restaurant style sauce using gravy granules as a base. Now first, I'm going to fry up half a diced onion. Doesn't matter too much how finely it's diced because I'm going to blend this later. Once it's nice and softened and starting to break down, I'm going to add in 1 whole clove of garlic. No need to chop it. I'm then going to keep frying it till I've got these lovely golden bits and got some real flavour in there. And I'm going to add a little red wine, about 100 ml. Now you could use beer, ale, stout, whatever you wanted. It's just something to add some extra flavour. Now once that's reduced down, you want almost all of the liquid to be gone. We're going to add in about 300 to 400 ml of water. I'm now adding some cherry jam because I'm cooking some duck later, and that's what this is for. But if you're doing beef or chicken or even pork, red currant jelly works really, really well. Now I'm just going to thicken this up with a couple of spoons of gravy granules to the thickness that I want it to be. And once I've done that, I'm going to blend it just to break down some of that onion and bring out even more flavour. You could actually leave this lumpy if you wanted to have a real classic onion gravy. Now you'll notice mine isn't particularly smooth, and this will need passing before it's ready to serve. I'm just thickening it up one last time before I bring it back to the boil and put it through a sieve. Now it's really important at this point to press it through with a spoon. You want to push everything you can through, because what you'll find is the stuff that's left at the end will actually help to thicken up the sauce slightly. And there it is, a beautiful restaurant style sauce, and you could thicken this up again if you wanted to, but I've left mine as is. If you like this video, hit that button, and if you really liked it, consider subscribing, and why not check out something like my roast beef dinner or my how to make Yorkie puddings video. Thanks for watching.